This is our hydroponics system. We have a 5-gallon bucket for the base of our system. And in this 5-gallon bucket, we have 2 gallons of fertilized water. Then at the top of our blue bucket, we have holes so the water can drain through the holes. Our PVC pipe has 5 holes, only 4 are occupied with water bottles. And inside the water bottles, we have wet foam, and our seed is germinating inside. At the top of our whole project, we have a blue lid inside with holes inside. Then we have drilled a hole in the middle where the pipe goes through and water can flow over top. This is secured with putty. At the bottom of our water bottles, we have a hole to let the excess water inside the water bottles drain outside onto the blue bucket so it can drain back inside the system.
Last week, in our hydroponic system, our seeds began germinating, and now this week they have started to grow into plants. In this one, you can see that we have 3 sprouts starting to happen, and last week, there was only 1 seed that was germinating. And in this one, you can see we have several small seeds starting to germinate, and last week there was nothing happening. And in this one, there is no germination, and there is no sprouting occurring yet. And here, you can't really see it, but we have 1 small seed beginning to germinate. Now up here, we have made some new adjustments. We have stuck tape around the tube in order to keep it held upright so that the water can flow through the holes and reach all sides of the plants.
Over spring break, the plants in our hydroponic system have gotten no water, therefore have dried up. In our first plant, we see that these are the largest plants that have grown tall, but they have shriveled up because of no water. Same for the second. Up here, we can see that the tape is still maintaining the pipe to stay up and hold support.
The pump inside of our thing was not plugged in, so the tube ended up falling as well over the leak, and water was not reaching all the plants. So in this particular thing, the plant has died. Same with this one, the plants have died, but now there's a little mold on it. You can see that right there, it's that white spot right there. But so far, that's pretty much it for this week.
Our pump wasn't plugged in. We plugged it back in, but water is barely coming out. There's more mold in this plant and in that plant.
We're done.
Over the last week, our pump fell down, so we pulled it back up so that we could turn on the pump again. And as you can see, they're all still dead. One's growing mold there, and that one's just not growing at all. And the pump is falling down again.